You can actually fill it and you have nightlife mood, sports mood, downtown mood, and Pacific mood. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are back in the 2019 AMG GT63 by Mercedes. And the point of this whole video is, obviously, if you could tell by the thumbnail and the title, there is a new feature with the actual air freshener on the AMG models, the GT63 specifically. So you can get different fragrances, you can get different scents, perfumes, colognes, what have you, from your Mercedes dealership, or you could just add your own into the canister and it'll actually pump it through the vents. It doesn't stick to your clothes, and it's meant to keep you kind of alert and refreshed and just, you know, add for that extra sexy value, I guess, while you're driving. But I think it's really, really interesting and a really neat feature, just very modern and futuristic. So I'm gonna jump into that in this video. Stick around, hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already, and let's jump into how to use and how the air freshener works with the new Mercedes AMG models, specifically including this GT63. All right, now that we have the car on and you have all of the air flowing, you can see on this screen here where the airflow is coming from, which is pretty cool to have a visual of like where your air is flowing. But if you pop open the glove box here, you're gonna notice that you have the AMG Interior Perfume in this box. Now they've already taken it out and put it in, but it comes in that box right there. And if I take it out, it's in this little canister. It just sits in there kind of like with a magnet, and it's refillable. So right here is the canister, and you stick that in right there. There's a light if it's at night and you can't see, and then you can go down to air freshener and you can see it, the visualization of it coming through the vents. And again, it doesn't stick to your clothes, so you don't get out of your car with this crazy musty scent, but it's nice while you're driving. And you can turn it on high, medium, low, or off, which I'll show you on the screen right here. But I mean, super impressive, and you can see it light up blue when it's on, and you can actually smell it. It's impressive. I mean, there's a noticeable difference in the scent of the vehicle, and you know, sometimes if your car is sitting in the sun, you get that leather smell. If you don't like that, well, then pop that in. Also, one step up, you have the Mercedes-Benz Interior Perfume scents. There's other different scents, if you will, that you can put in that canister. And these are almost like different testers you would find at the store, but I'm not going to take them out. But you have nightlife mood, sports mood, downtown mood, and Pacific mood, and you can refill them with those right there, or any of your other perfumes or colognes, depending on who you are, and that will come through the vents as well. So again, you just put that in the canister, just refill this. This is a twist off right here, and then it goes in there. Super impressive, very, very clever, very new. I have not seen that before until I got into this car to review it. So I was very impressed when I learned how to do that and what that even was. Just pop it right in here and you're good to go. And then when you go into your little icon right here, oh wait, it's not touch, my bad. You can go to Energizing Comfort, click it, and then it's going to show you, you know, which one you're working with. And you also have these different lights that you can set with it: refresh, warmth, vitality, and then you have the training features as well, which is kind of silly, but I'll go over that with you. But you have these different colors and settings that you can set based on your personality and how you want it to be while you're driving, to either get a really comfortable drive, a really soothing drive, or an invigorating fast drive as well, or feeling to the car as you're driving it. So super, super, I guess just creative on behalf of Mercedes, and I like it. I want to throw some Giorgio Armani in there and just kind of see how it smells as I'm driving down the road.